Looking for a versatile indoor security camera that's easy to set up? Meet the Tapo C210 camera that works with any network. No hub needed. Capture stunning 2700 megapixel high definition videos with night vision that reaches up to 30 feet or 10 meters. Perfect for monitoring your baby, pet, or loved ones. It features pan, tilt, and zoom functions. Two-way audio lets you stay connected anytime, anywhere. Plus, enjoy smart alerts, motion tracking, and multiple storage options. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover peace of mind with the Ring Video Doorbell. Your perfect front door guardian with high-definition video in full color even at night, easy battery-powered installation, and customizable privacy zones you can see, hear, and respond from anywhere. Use quick replies when you're busy and get tailored alerts for people and packages. Keep what matters most protected and stay connected effortlessly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover peace of mind with the Ring Indoor Camera 2nd generation. This easy-to-install security camera offers high-definition 108 video, so you can check in on your pets or loved ones anytime. Enjoy two-way talk to say hi or comfort your pets from anywhere. With a removable privacy cover and plug-in power, you control what the camera sees and hears. Pair it with other Ring devices to protect your entire home effortlessly. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tapo TD21, the ultimate wireless doorbell camera that combines sharp 2760 pixel resolution for incredible clarity day and night. With an ultra-wide 160-degree view, see everything from head to toe. Easy to control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, it features two-way talk, intelligent AI notifications, and full-color night vision. Enjoy long-lasting security with the 6400 battery that lasts up to 180 days. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the blurams pet camera, the ultimate way to keep an eye on your furry friends and home. Featuring 2256 pixel resolution and a full 360-degree view, it captures every detail and angle. With motion detection and real-time alerts, you'll be instantly notified of any activity. Enjoy clear night vision with infrared lights and stay connected through two-way talk. Easy to set up and share with loved ones, it's your perfect home companion. You will find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tapo TC70, the indoor camera that brings your home security to the next level. With crystal clear 2-megapixel high resolution and night vision that sees up to 30 feet, without light pollution, it ensures you never miss a moment. Cover every angle with 360 degrees horizontal and 114 degrees vertical view, perfect for monitoring pets and babies. Enjoy smart alerts, two-way talk, customized privacy zones, and flexible storage options. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tapo C indoor camera, your ultimate home security buddy. Boasting a stunning 2073 megapixel resolution and crystal clear night vision, it keeps an eye on your space day and night without any light pollution. Its wide-angle lens with full panoramic coverage makes it perfect for monitoring babies and pets. With intelligent features like person detection, motion tracking, and baby cry alerts, plus flexible store options and voice assistant compatibility, the Tapo C makes home safety simple and smart. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.